Emma.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Oops, I guess you can't see me. I'm your favorite doggy ever. Now today I'll be teaching you how to defend yourself against the evil monkey attack using
You punch.
punching. Now here's your typical evil monkey. Now the best way to defend against one of these monkeys is like this. Don't punch me in the face! Now that is how you take down a monkey. And pee on it. Now first, let's learn some basic moves. First, your front punch. Then your back punch. Then your tail punch. And then your headbutt. And then your body slam.
Body slam. Ow.
Okay, now let's try them all on this monkey.
So what do we start with?
So first, front punch. Back punch. Tail punch. Headbutt. And body slam! And that is how you take down a monkey.
Bye-bye.
And make sure you watch out for how to kill an evil monkey mob. Number 2 by the way, this is video number 1, and the next one will be how to defend yourself against the evil monkey invasion using a sword.
And weapons. Don't forget. Bye.